What is up, guys? My name is Jason Hauser. Today's date is July 6th, 2017. Um, Yesterday was July 5th, and I wasn't able to do a video. I don't know why my voice cracked. I have allergies. But the reason why I didn't do a video on July 5th, A, was because I have allergies, and B, um, my grandparents' dog had to be put down. His name was Diesel. You've seen him in my past videos, but he's in doggy heaven right now, so yeah. But anyways, I'll still do videos. I just need more time. Anyways, I'm Jason Hauser, and you're watching the Jason channel. Peace.